Assalamu alaikum. I am Samir Azam and today I am going to discuss about the topic why travel is beneficial to education. So let's start discussion. Almost everyone of us agrees that life real education happens outside the classroom. Classroom with teachers, friends and textbooks are of course one way to learn, but they are not the only. In fact, traveling is the best way to learn things and the things that matters. Whether you stroll through the street of Paris, hike through the most trying trails in the Himalayas, or spend a sunny afternoon on the Caribbean beaches, travel will never fail you as a teacher. Here are 10 reasons why traveling is the best form of education you can get irrespective of the place you travel and adventures you have. The number 1. You learn languages. English is spoken in almost all the parts of the world and it will work for you mostly. Nevertheless, it's always better to learn the native language of the place you are going to visit. In a way, travel forces you to learn languages. Number 2. You learn about other cultures. Not just traveling to a foreign country but also to different parts of your own country is the best way to describe what it's all about. You better understand how the cultures around the world vary and where the common ground lies. The number 3. You learn history. You studies about the civilization and the major historical events in your history class. All that was really cool, but nothing beats traveling to historical landmarks and exploring your way around a city, history, and a culture. In number 4, you learn about today's world. Travel teach you not just about the world as it was in the past, but also as it is today. It's probably the best way to truly understand the political situation, economic scenario, and social structure of the world we are living in today. Number 5. You learn about nature. When you move out of your comfort zone of the concrete jungle and begin to explore the most exotic natural wonders of the world, you will begin to realize the colossal majesty of nature. Number 6. You learn to do new things. Travel will test you in each and every step you take. As you are exploring your way into the unknown, traveling naturally forces you to do so many things which you would not have done otherwise. The number 7. You learn social skills. You may be little shy and find it difficult to engage yourself socially, but traveling will change that. Has things like talking to completely strangers or asking them for favor is not an option but a necessity during travels. Number 8. You learn to be independent. If you have spent your life being reacting to the circumstance placed upon you, and you want to change that and have not been able to do so, traveling will teach to be proactive and control your own fate by yourself. Number 9. You learn compassion for the life of others. When you travel extensively, you begin to realize that in spite of all the differences, we all are same. Somewhere deep down in our hearts, all your prejudice based on your race, color, and nationality will subside. The number 10. You learn about yourself. Probably the most important aspect of education that travel helps you in education about yourself. In your education about yourself, travel is your best teacher not only on history, language, and politics, but also on yourself. If you have not really decided what you are going to do with your life or what you want to be in future, traveling extensively and preferably to place you that you have never heard before. This is the best way to help you make a decision. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.